Hey guys, we're gonna make carrot flowers. They're really simple. They're quite easy to do, and it's a great way to impress some people if that's what you're trying to do. They're great little garnishes. So all you have to do is come up, get a carrot. It's been peeled. Paring knife. We cut the end off it, so we have that little bit, and then we cut a slice like so. Slice, slice, slice. So you got this, just 4 pieces often. Where you've cut it, you just cut one couple of millimeters in, and you don't go all the way down, just come down to that little bit. Repeat the process. Repeat the process. And you do it 4 times. And you cut that little bit on the end, and these things should just, in theory, I need to cut a little bit in there, just come off like that. Little flowers. And you can just keep repeating that process. If you make a mistake and you overcut it, that's fine. Just start again. Use the offcuts for bolognese or something. So. Pop them out. Like that. Now, how do you make these ones? These take a little bit longer, a little bit more patience, but they're easy too. So you get the top end. So with these ones, you can do the bottom end, and you can just keep going. You can make dozens of them. But then you get the top bit, take this ugly bit out, and we take about 2 centimeters out like that. Let's trim that up a bit. Okay, so it's the same thing. We cut in there like that. In there, in there, in there, and you cut all the way around. Once you've cut all the way around, you slice a piece on the inside of those petals, like so. So you get this thing. Like that. So we've cut those, and we've cut around like that. Then you repeat the process. So in between the petals, we cut in there like that. In there, that, all the way around, and repeat the process. We cut into there. Like so. Obviously this takes a little bit longer to do, but it's a bit more fancier. So we go there, repeat again, all the way around. When you do this, you need to put on your technical face. Mine is this. You need to look like you're really into it. So you look like you're doing something really cool when it's really pretty simple, like that. And then again, it gets smaller and smaller as we go, so it's like that. And then on the inside again. As you get inside, you kind of have to go more of an angle into it until you get right down to the end like that. And I like to just chop a little bit like that there, a little bit, and there's your little carrot flower. They're really simple, they're really cool. There you go, that's how you do it. If you know anybody who might benefit from this, share it with them. All right, see you next time.